Hello and welcome once again to another session of the INEC tutorial. Okay, so in this video, we will be covering how to transfer our polling units from wherever we initially registered it to be to a new location. Okay, in our previous videos, we have covered how to create an account on INEC portal and how to review or revalidate our information. For those videos, kindly check around the channel. You will find a video related to that. So let's quickly jump right in. A lot of people do not know exactly how to move their polling units from wherever they were or whenever they registered to where they want to vote come 2023. So what you want to do is log into your INEC portal or your INEC account. Okay, if you don't have an account, quickly check on those videos I mentioned previously, how to create an account on INEC portal, and you will find that video showing you exactly the step-by-step procedure to get to this point. Okay, so when you're at this point, you want to scroll down to transfers and click on request transfer. Once you click on request transfer, it will ask you to put in your information. All right, put in your information. Here I'll be using my information so that it will be seamless. Okay, I'll use my information. um, all right, so that is basically but I don't want to use anything here. This is optional. This is optional. So if you don't remember, you don't worry about it. It is the year that is most important. And then the voter's identification is also optional. If you remember, no problem. But on this last part, you want to choose, I am doing this for myself. Okay. Just like we discussed in the previous videos. Once this is done, you click on search for record and it will bring up your information. If your information is not brought up or popped up, then it means your record is not on INEC portal. Okay, so once this is made available to us, you scroll down and click on continue. Remember, what we're trying to do is to transfer our polling units from where we initially registered or where we were voting previously. Probably you relocated to a new state and you want to vote come 2023 in your new location. So this is how you go about that. Click on yes, and then it will take you to the process, the form to fill to move your polling units to a closer one. So here we go. Our information is already the same as it is on the INEC portal. Okay, if there's any mistake there, I'll be showing us another video how to edit whatever mistake appears on your information. Okay, like presently I'm no longer a student, so I'm supposed to have changed that. So I'll show us exactly how to do that later. So here you want to put in your home address. You could use your recent address. All right, so in my case, let me say this is for Ramson Street of Chicken Republic. Okay, Ajawa State. All right, this is the address of where you live now. Okay, so you want to put in the country of residence as Nigeria. You want to put in the state of residence, okay, where you are presently or where you would like to vote come 2023. If it's Lagos or Akwa Ibom, or you want to travel down to your village to do that, then go ahead and change the day. I mean the state. Okay, so in my case, I will say Lagos. I'm assuming that I'm just moving because I'm not moving anything. Okay, just is a tutorial. So the city where you want to vote, okay, this is basically where you want to vote now. So I would say in my case, I want to vote at Oshodi Solo. All right. Um, there are this is information about where you want to vote, okay, based on what you have provided, based on where you have stated that you are staying. So you have to choose where you want to vote. First, the state. Where do you want to vote? Of course, you can choose any state of your choice here. So here it is Lagos for me. What local government I've chosen, Oshodi Solo. I can change that if I don't want it. What registration word would I want? It will bring out the different registration words based on the local government that I have chosen. So you choose the one closer to you. In my case, I can say Orile is closer, or I can say Mafoluku is closer, or whatever it is. Okay, just choose. And then which polling unit based on the area or the ward that you have chosen. Okay, look for a polling unit address that is very close to you. Choose anyone, and then you're good to go. So once that is done, you want to upload a document. A supporting document can be, let's look at the options we have here. You can see the different options. We have court affidavit, we have proof of name change, we have evidence of address, we have identity documents. It can be an ID card, it can even be your voter's card if you have one. It can be any card, your company card or anything. Or you have other proof if you have a birth certificate or something that carries your name, okay? Something that carries your name. It can even be your NEPA bill if you have any name of yours appearing on your NEPA bill or your address. Okay, so signed letter of request or other supporting document. So it can be anything at all. And this document that you want to upload should have been saved on your phone. Okay, so that once you click on choose file, it will automatically bring out your file folder. Then you begin to locate where the file is on your phone. Okay, to begin to ask you to locate the file. So you choose wherever the file is saved. You can use the same document twice. It doesn't really matter. So once you're done with this, just click on save and continue. As soon as you click on, because I'm not transferring any polling unit, so I won't be doing this. But as soon as you click on save and continue, it automatically relocates you, okay, or move your location from where you registered previously to the new place you have chosen that you want to vote, okay. After this phase, it may ask you for a couple of other things. I'm not sure about that, but basically, this is what you should be getting. All right. Once you click on save and continue, you're almost done with every other thing, and that should take care of other things for you. All right. So that is it on how to transfer your polling unit from where you registered previously or where you voted previously to your new location. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.